G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted, and the white that you can see there is the reflection of the lights. First piece needs to be cut off, and a long skinny stone perhaps. This piece has already been blocked out. Probably cut that off there. Maybe a little bit up on the top. It's on the top there. I don't know what the black lines are on there for, but they've been put on there by the person that's cut this out. But pretty real close to being ready to cut and polish. This piece I think probably needs to be cut back down like that. Pendant, sort of like a picture stone. It swirls in the different colours and shapes. The opal on it's only fairly thin, so you have to be careful when you're cutting and polishing that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.